JavaScript has been undoubtedly the standard programming language of the web browser. But while it is the inevitable result of any front-end work or back-end development with Node.js, nowadays it is not every developer's favorite building material. Developers are turning to TypeScript as their go-to language for writing web applications. Before we go into the details, I am happy to announce the launch of my new Udemy course, Mastering TypeScript with Marathon Interview Questions, which has basics to advanced level tutorials on modern TypeScript along with real-world interview questions asked in top IT companies worldwide. Check out the link in the description to avail an exclusive 80% introductory discount on this course. Alright, now let's check out a side-by-side TypeScript versus JavaScript comparison, which will help you in understanding the difference in the simplest of ways. JavaScript directly runs in the browser or on a server in case of Node.js, thanks to V8 JavaScript engine. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. It needs to be compiled into JavaScript to execute. So if you have a JavaScript file which directly runs in a browser, consider a TypeScript file that needs some process so that gets converted into JavaScript and then eventually it runs in the browser. So at the end, it has to be converted in JavaScript if you want to execute it. JavaScript is a scripting language supporting object-oriented programming language concepts. TypeScript is a full-fledged object-oriented programming language. JavaScript is liberal in data types, though it supports all primitive types and objects as well. TypeScript is a strictly typed language. It supports all the data types with very strict checking. It also has various facilities to have custom data types which you can use as and when required for your program. JavaScript does not support features like generics and type annotations, interfaces, enums, or even the type inference. TypeScript contains all these features which we don't see in JavaScript. JavaScript is comparatively more flexible while you are developing the application, while you are writing the code. TypeScript's core function is to eradicate the development errors. So you sometimes see that it behaves very strictly while you are developing, but that also has its own advantages so that at the production level you face less errors. You can use importing and exporting in the new JavaScript. So you have modules where you can deal with, whereas in case of TypeScript, you do also have modules, you use import and export, but at the same time you have a concept of namespaces. Though JavaScript has different way to implement it, but TypeScript gives you a better way to deal with creating a container which contains the code and you segregate the code in more logical segments. JavaScript is a flexible and easy to learn scripting language. TypeScript rather has stiff learning curve and requires prior scripting knowledge. It does follow various traditional language syntaxes. As such, it isn't that difficult, but if you are coming from JavaScript environment, you might feel that this is little bit strict, little bit conservative while writing the code. I'm sure now you have a fair understanding about the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript. Generally, we see that bigger projects are managed well with TypeScript language structure. What do you think about TypeScript? Do let us know in the comments section.